So you've got a website, a company website, an association website, or a blog. You receive visitors that are all interested in your business, you and your take on the field or industry. Or maybe you sell one industry-related product to your visitors and would like to add another category. Many visitors may read, look around a bit, and then move on. Every day, hundreds or perhaps thousands of people visit your site, seeking information. Whether it's about safety, technology, management, compliance, human resources, finance, healthcare, informatics, skill training, religion, Cogno has a way for you to turn those visits to your site into dollars by providing you with serious training and make available to your community, all relevant and focused on your industry. Free! Cogno has thousands of courses and hundreds of categories on a multitude of subjects, many mandatory compliance courses that your viewers need to keep their accreditation and licenses, all created by top industry experts. It's easy for you to turn the source of training and information into revenue. Sign up at Cogno, search for courses, select the courses you'd like to offer, click on Syndicate, and we provide you with choice links to paste on your site. Leave the rest to us. Our publishers share a portion of the revenue from each sale with you, some up to 50%. We track your visitors, viewers, and sales, and then check your account balance and start earning.